we're constantly developing our products. We're in the luxury and lifestyle business. We listen very closely to our clients and we deliver what the client requests, really. I think there's a big passion for the Range Rover and Land Rover products, but so many owners want to go further than that. They want to personalise their cars and they want the best 4x4. There's a lot of passion among the clients, and we build some fantastic cars. I think for Overfinch now on the new cars, it's more cosmetic, interior and exterior, obviously carbon fibre body styling and personalisation on the inside. And it's also about personal service. So we all know when we get very good service, whether it's a hotel, whether it's your favourite airline. And I think in the UK we're retaining 71% of our clients, and I think it's not only the product, I think it's the team, the enthusiasm, the passion and the service. I think here in Scandinavia, the relationship with Moticon, for the first phase we're looking for customers who are enthusiasts, Range Rover owners, to speak with the team at Moticon and to work with them to put options and customisation or Overfinch options on their car. I think things are changing later in the year where I know Moticon will be offering some complete cars. I think there's a good example of what we do here this evening, but clients are welcome to bring their cars. There's a team at Moticon now that can do the leather trim work, fit the exterior styling, the wheels. So there's varying levels of conversion you can have. I think the competition for us, or the brands that are most compared, are Rolls-Royce and Bentley, which people might find surprising. I don't think we have any competitors in the Land Rover tuning business. I think the classic cars, is a very different approach and a very different business, and we almost have a clean sheet of paper with a classic. So we'll fully warrant the car. Obviously our engineering is excellent, and we can build some really interesting cars with very interesting engines. The approach on the new cars is very different. Obviously we have to work very intelligently around the car. We have to honour the manufacturer's warranty. I think for me, in this phase of Land Rover, the product's beautiful. The new Range Rover L460 is by far the best car they've produced. The engineering is very, very good. But it also gives us quite a blank canvas. I mean, it's very minimalistic. There's very little difference between the autobiography and the SV, cosmetically, and I think this creates the biggest opportunity for us and the biggest opportunity for the client to express themselves, really, in something that's totally unique. Across to Philip and the team at Moticon, and obviously Philip's a seasoned veteran in the automotive industry and very well connected, but I think it will be challenging to make Overfinch a household name. I think once the people experience the product, the exclusivity, the resale value is often much, much higher than the standard Range Rover, and there's big demand. I mean, for us, one of the interesting things is most of our vehicles are right-hand drive, or we have the cars in America. Philip's our first left-hand drive partner, and already we're seeing so many inquiries internationally into Moticon, because the left-hand drive market is much, much bigger. So hopefully all the products stay in Scandinavia, and we can work between the various countries, but there's lots of interest. There are many, many stories, and obviously many clients we can't mention the name of. I think something that always interests me with the brand is you may have a client, he's in London or he's in New York, and he has the car and it's parked outside a restaurant, or he has his driver. I think you'd be very, very surprised. It's an unusual name, Overfinch. How many people see the car, they'll stop and look. They know it's a Range Rover, but they know it's different. And there's many, many stories of people who become very good clients, very loyal clients and collectors who saw the first Overfinch, who've never heard of the brand before. And then they Google the name and the word, and it comes up, and they start to do their research and their homework. And it's almost, if you know, you know, and if you don't know, you don't need to know, as they say, really. And I think, all those clients, are very interesting, and it's interesting to listen to the first time they saw the brand and how they then track you down and purchase a vehicle.